Good morning to Honorable Dr. Mrs. Prema Subramanian, Treasurer of ABS Group of Schools, our Director Mr. M.S. Tolkapian sir, our Academic Director Mr. Sundaramurthy sir, Principal of CBSE and Metric, Vice Principal of Global Smart School, respected teachers and my dear friends. We have all gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of this Independence Day on 15th August. Many best wishes and congratulations to all of you for this auspicious occasion. Today, on this auspicious occasion, I have got the opportunity to address you all. Thank you very much for this. Friends, as we know, 15th August is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. On 15th of August 1947, all the freedom fighters and British revolutionaries got a freedom from the British by putting their lives at stake. So celebrate this day historically in his memory and honor, because on this day we got freedom from the British, which is incomparable. The British government oppressed the people of India for many years and kept us as slaves. On 15th of August 1947, we got freedom from the British and we became completely independent. In the relentless pursuit of this freedom, we also lost many great people in our country. Many great people were born in a country who did not even care about their lives for the independence of our country and willingly sacrificed it for the independence of the country. The most important contribution for the independence has been made by Mahatma Gandhi, who forced him to leave India by using weapons like truth and non-violence against British rule. There are also many other freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, etc., who contributed for the independence of our country. We are very fortunate to have found such great freedom fighters and revolutionaries in history. Because of them, we are living our life freely and we are making new achievements day by day. Today, 75 years after independence, our country is moving progress towards every field. We are writing a new chapter every day in different fields like military strength, agriculture, science, education, and many other fields. We are writing new dimensions every day. Our military strength has equipped with powerful weapons which have the power to annihilate any enemy in the blink of an eye. Friends, as we know, our country is an agricultural country since ancient times. After independence 1947, our agriculture sector has also changed a lot. We are producing more quantities of crops using new techniques and we are adopting new methods for growing crops. In 1965, during a war between India and Pakistan, our Prime Minister Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri gave the slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which proves to be quite today. After independence, we have made progress in the field of science as well. We are using scientific technique by ourselves for achieving new dimensions of our country. By using scientific technique, India has reached the Mars and Moon today. By innovating scientific technique, we are able to make ourselves at par with the progressive countries. On this occasion of independence, while we are discussing about the dimension of the progress of our country, we should not forget the scene of slavery where our freedom fighters sacrificed their life for the independence of our country. Even today, our eyes become moist by remembering those great people. In modern times, we are living our life freely. The credit goes to these people. We should never forget them. By addressing you all today on this auspicious occasion, I end my speech by paying my respects and tributes to those great revolutionaries. Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Jai Hind.